How to fix Snapchat login error on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In this video, I'll simply show you how you can fix the Snapchat's login error on your Android device, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to fix a Snapchat login error on Android, what you have to do is, first of all, there are three most reasons why this happens. One is the application issue, the other is your account issue, and the third is your credentials issue. So if it's the application issue, what you want to do is, first of all, make sure that Snapchat app is updated to the latest version. So head over to your Play Store. If you see an update button like in my case you just did, you want to make sure to go ahead and just simply update the app to the latest version. Now once you've updated the Snapchat app, if it still doesn't help solve your error, then what you can do is long press on it, tap on the I button over here, and it'll take you to the app information page. Over here, what you want to do is go to storage, clear the cache files, and also clear the data. When you clear the cache files and data, this should most likely fix the application issue, or last but not the least, it could also be that the Snapchat server are actually down. So if the servers are down, you just have to wait for an update to fix it. The other thing why this happens is due to your account issue. Maybe you were using some third-party plugins or any type of services of Snapchat and they restricted your account and you want to unrestrict that account. Then in that case, what you have to do is you have to simply go ahead and try to switch your network. If you have some other Wi-Fi, try to connect to those Wi-Fi, or else I'll simply recommend you try to log in with mobile data if you have mobile data available, or else try to use a VPN and see if that solves the problem, because Snapchat or any other social media application is going to block your IP address for a temporary while when they notice some kind of suspicious activity on your account. And last but not the least, the reason this happens is due to your incorrect credentials. As I said, the credentials issue. So open up Snapchat, go to the login page, make sure that your username as well as your email or password is actually correct, because if not, then you will simply not be able to log into your account. If you forgot your password, you can tap on the forgot password button in order to go ahead and then reset it, but if not, then just tap on the login button and then you should be able to log into your account. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to comment down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.